The Honorable Mahendra Reddy, Minister for Education, Culture and Heritage, Honorable Ministers and Members of Parliament, Sri Ratu President of the Fiji Visarjan Yatra, Sri Chandu Maria, Special Administrator of Suva City, distinguished guests, devotees of Ganesh Utsav, ladies and gentlemen, friends. Good afternoon, Nisam Bulavinaka, Assalamu alaikum, Namaste. I am indeed greatly honored to be here with you this afternoon, to be part of the concluding ceremonies of the Ganesh Utsav for 2015. And I thank you most sincerely for your invitation. I am confident that all the devotees of Ganesh Utsav are already very familiar with your historical developments, so I do not intend to focus on this aspect. On this occasion, I wish to congratulate the Fiji Visarjan Yatra for promoting the importance of religious practice through the observance of Ganesh Utsav since your establishment in Fiji in the year 2000. I am advised that more than 10,000 people from all walks of life are celebrating Ganesh Utsav at 45 centers around Fiji today. This is testimony that Ganesh Utsav is increasingly becoming a national festival, celebrated by a growing number of devotees and interested individuals. I also wish to acknowledge the significant contribution of all the devotees towards Fiji's overall development as a nation through your religious and community work, through social, cultural, and educational developments, and through your networks within the business community. I acknowledge in particular the hard work of your leaders and all your members, especially in coordinating your activities and developing a strong foundation for the promotion of your religious beliefs. We will all agree that one of the best measures of our religious practices should be reflected in our everyday living, in how one develops personally and spiritually, in how one relates to others within the family structure, with one's spouse, children, and other family members. For instance, in how one relates to members of the community, the ones that they live in, and especially in supporting the less fortunate, and also in how one contributes to the development of the nation as a whole. Allow me on this occasion to share with you an important message that I have been sharing with other religious organizations that I have had the pleasure of joining in their celebrations in the past years. That the freedom of worship and the freedom to practice one's religious beliefs are firmly protected in our nation's Constitution of 2013. The rationale in declaring Fiji a secular state is, among other things, to provide everyone, without exception, the right to practice, uphold, and promote one's religion. It is also to protect all religions and to ensure that no one religion or sect within a religion has undue advantage over other religions or sects, or for that matter, for the members of any religion to be victimized because of their beliefs and practices. When a nation considers the notion of equal citizenry, it is important that it makes provision within the Constitution, which is the supreme law of the land, for all citizens to be treated equally, irrespective of one's ethnic, cultural, or religious affiliation. For the first time, ladies and gentlemen, since our independence over 45 years ago, our Constitution provides this protection and even offers an unprecedented number of rights that are aimed at enhancing and upholding equal citizenship. These include the rights to life, the right to health, and the right to education, amongst others.